chocolate one, so guess what? We've got strawberries! Yay! I don't like it. Alright. Today I'm going to be doing a pocky challenge with a special guest.
Oh!
No, I'm joking. But, I don't know her name.
But she's deaf.
Because we didn't name her. Yeah, but she's deaf. She can't hear.
Let me see.
But she's la 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 la.
Yeah, she's
I think you just broke it. R.I.P. headphone users. R.I.P. Alright, come on, Blaine. And then we'll be joined.
Yeah, drink my chocolate.
We'll be joined by Blaine. Nigga, give me a second. Ooh, sorry guys.
Don't you want to be famous? Don't you want to be rich like me? Get in. What? Not me. You're so low. Oh my god. It like dropped like
I win.
that.
Where's my pocky?
And chocolate.
Let me do one with
Hey,
this.
they didn't defrost. I mean, like, you know. No. I was a tie.
That was a tie.
We had a bunch of Japanese candy today.
Where's the chocolate ones?
Right here? No, don't open them.
Chocolate.
What are you gonna use?
Nothing. I just like pocky.
She's bald. Oh, she has a thing on her head.
It's a girl?
Whatever it is.
I'm recording a YouTube video. Keep your nasty comments to yourself.
No, it's on TV.
I don't
she
care.
looks really pretty.
Mine like my hair.
My hair is messed up.
Yellow.
You can't see it on the camera because there's not a lot of lighting, but it's kind of brownish up here.
Don't you want to be?
I dyed it again. Really?
Oh, it's asleep.
Is this?
So anyway, thanks. And I watch a lot of YouTubers.
So why don't you cut her real hair off and then make it to a wig? Sorry.
So I watch a lot of YouTubers that call people who watch their YouTube channel. PewDiePie is a bro. Some don't. Half the time it's just fangirls, like over Markiplier or Cry or Cinnamon Toastkin or Cryotic. Yeah. So I'm going to call you Sorrow Souls, because if you're watching this, then you must be bored as hell to be watching me just talk. But anyway, so we're gonna go now. You're gonna say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Hey,
Oh, they're cute.
Oh.
Hi, wait, I want to hold her. Some more.
So I ain't talking no more. I like my videos to be a good length. But
In there.
we're gonna go now.
Yeah.
Bye, my sorrow souls, and I'll see you soon.